The goal of a car park system is typically to control access, manage capacity, ensure efficient use of space, provide security, and often, to collect parking fees.
Here are the common components and types of car park systems you might encounter. Access control. How vehicles enter and exit. Manual booms, gates, operated by security personnel who may issue tickets or check credentials. Still seen in some smaller establishments or residential areas. Automated barriers. Vehicles approach. Take a ticket from a dispenser on entry or insert a paid ticket. Scan a card on exit, and the barrier lifts. Very common in malls like SM, Ayala malls, Robinsons, and office buildings. RFID. Access cards, used for season pass holders, employees, or residents. They tap a card for entry, exit.